Freshly Picked is a meal delivery system for all of your favorite vegetables. I'm just kidding. Freshly Picked is a lifestyle company for all things mom and baby. We sell diaper bags, we sell moccasins, sandals, sneakers to help baby and mom feel and look their best when they walk out the door.
Where is Freshly Picked located? It's a good question. Where are we, guys? Oh, yeah, Utah. We're in Utah.
Of course we do. Shop our sales section on our website, sign up for emails, rewards, and text messages.
Oh, it's so worth it, you guys. I'm obsessed. I just became a mom 3 months ago. I don't know how old my daughter is, but it's amazing. I wouldn't recommend any other bag, and I'm obsessed.
Yes, so our soft sole mocks are perfect for new walkers. The leather stretches so they can stretch their little toes, and our mini soles are perfect for your more adventurous walkers so they don't scuff up their mocks.
This is a terrible question. I don't understand what it means. Like, is it alive, like kombucha? Or is it like growing after you pick it? What do you mean?
Freshly Picked moccasins are made here in-house. They're handmade in Linden, Utah.
Whoa, what a finale. I mean, Stonewall Prep, those kids frickin' suck, okay? But you know, it takes a while for FP to kind of figure out what the plan is, but you know, we love a good like fake death scene. I'm all about that. And like getting all the friends in on it, hiding him in a bunker, thank goodness for the friggin' beanie that...
The moccasins, sandals, and sneakers are all genuine leather, but the diaper bags are vegan leather.
Here's how you pack a Freshly Picked diaper bag. Done. But seriously, check out our YouTube channel to see how to pack your diaper bag.
The Costco-sized strawberry case lasts 2 days max. There's this TikTok where you put your strawberries in a mason jar, clean strawberries in a mason jar in the fridge, and they last way longer. So that's my little TikTok trick for you. Hell yeah, we do. You guys, you can find us at almost every Nordstrom store.
Our semi-annual sale's coming early this year, so make sure to sign up for texts, emails, follow us on social. It's coming early November.
It's 100% worth it, and it's designed by really amazing people.
Oh, am I saying this right now? You guys want a discount code? I'll make you a discount code. Discount code is LEI, like my name, LEI, $5 off.